Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can practice pass in commands tutorial of eFootball 2024. So you can make a stunning pass and want to pass. You can learn and practice every day, anytime in this game. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game. Still confusing how you can complete the quest, the mission, and also challenge the event so you can get ton of rewards from it. And let's get started by tap the extras, tap the training. As you can see, there are two options here. Tap the commons tutorial, the classic one, and tap the pass. So you have to learn this very often every day to master the gameplay. Press the pass button here and go to the direction you want, like this and like this. Try to follow a guide of this game and try another. Pass the ball 5 times, like this. 3, 4, 5, and done. So you have tried this as a rondo, or train how to make a compact of your team. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.